The Science Center's mission is to inspire science learning for life. We learn through play. I like to tell people that we're really in the inspiration business. It is our job to excite and inspire the generations that keep coming.
STEM is very important for Duke Energy. We employ a lot of scientists and engineers, so it's important to build the leaders and the engineers and the scientists of the future for our workforce. Our world is more of a technological place now, so having STEM in the schools and being able to support that helps our communities, which is what we're all about.
We are so thankful to Duke Energy for sponsoring our STEM field trip opportunity for the past several years. It's allowed us to reach into several different districts and outlying counties and really serve children who traditionally have not been able to come to the Science Center. We've been looking at Title I schools and then reaching out to their teachers to make sure that 3rd through 5th grade has an opportunity to come and experience our STEM field trip.
And I think it speaks to Duke's commitment to inspire this next generation of innovators, this next generation of engineers, and that's the work that the Science Center is really all about.
We're very proud of our partnership here at the Orlando Science Center, and this year marks our $1 million cumulative contribution.
Duke Energy has made a substantial commitment to STEM education here at the Science Center, and we would not be able to offer these opportunities to students without that kind of investment.
The creativity, the excitement, the passion, the laughter, Duke Energy has made that possible. We couldn't do what we do without Duke Energy.